Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are review iQOO Neo10 Chinese variant after 1.5 years of real life use in 2026. So is the big question, is this phone still worth it buying in 2026? How is performance, camera, battery life and overall experience in 2026? So let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from Shadat's Doubt. So guys, start the video. First, let's talk about the design. Even after 1.5 years, the iQOO Neo10 still look and feel premium, slim and comfortable in hand, solid build quality, no major scratches. Buttons or ports still work perfectly. The back design is still eye-catchy and it does not feel outdated in 2026. Overall build quality is strong and reliable. Now let's move the display. This phone comes with 6.78-inch 144Hz AMOLED display with 4500 nits of peak brightness. In daily use, watching YouTube, Netflix, gaming and social media very smooth. Even in 2026, the display quality is excellent for the price. And the smartphone also offers under-display ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Now most important part, performance. The smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with 12 and 16GB RAM with UFS 4.0 storage. After 1.5 years, the iQOO Neo 10 still performs very well. Daily app use like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube and browsing, everything runs smoothly without lag. I am testing games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. Both you can play in a high frame rate and max graphics setting. No major frame drop or heating issues. For mid-range and heavy gamer, this phone is still a good choice in 2026. On the software side, the smartphone running OS 6 with Android 16. Let's talk about the camera performance. The smartphone comes with the 50 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 16 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30fps video and you also record 4K 60fps video maximum and you also record 1080p 30 60 120fps and 240fps slow-mo video with EIS and the video quality is very good. Now talk about the picture quality. The photo are very good details with a natural color and lot of details in a pictures. And the 8 megapixel ultra wide you also take a very good photo no matter is low light, night and daylight. Every time you can take a very good photo with this smartphone. Especially I like this smartphone portrait photography. You can do 1x and 2x portrait photography and this is the picture quality. Let's now talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. The 50 megapixel main sensor take a very good photo at night and thanks to night mode to take a better photo at night. In 2026, camera is not flagship level, but the price segment the smartphone offer you flagship level camera experience. Now let's talk about battery life. After 1.5 years, battery backup is decent. One full day backup with the normal use. Screen on time around 6 to 7 hours. Originally, the phone has a 6100 mAh battery with 120 watt fast adapter supported. So if you take good care, the battery can easily last another year. So is iQOO Neo 10 worth it buying in 2026 after 1.5 years? My answer is yes if you get a good price. If you want good gaming phone, smooth performance, reliable daily use, budget friendly option. So guys, that is my long time review of the iQOO Neo 10 Chinese variant after 1.5 years almost. If you enjoy this video, like, comment and subscribe for more tech review like this. As always, let me know in the comment, are you still using iQOO Neo 10 in 2026? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.